An essential point to understand about modern AI is that it's often closer than you think. You don't always need to purchase new, specialized systems or undertake complex implementations to start benefiting from its capabilities. AI is already being embedded into many of the everyday tools that finance teams use. Part 4. AI and tools you already use. 4.1. Excel. The ideas. Feature. Consider Microsoft Excel, the cornerstone of financial analysis. It now includes an AI-powered feature called Ideas. This tool acts like an automated analyst for your spreadsheet. Simply by selecting your data, the Ideas feature can automatically analyze it to highlight trends, identify patterns, flag potential outliers, and even suggest appropriate charts or pivot tables. It allows you to gain quick, data-driven insights without writing a single complex formula or building a statistical model from scratch. This is a perfect example of how AI-powered analysis is becoming accessible to every finance professional directly within their existing workflow. 4.2 Power BI, AI Visuals. For those using business intelligence tools like Microsoft Power BI, the AI integration goes even further. Power BI includes specific AI-driven visuals designed to automate complex analysis. One powerful example is the key influencer visual. Instead of you manually testing which factors matter most, this visual automatically analyzes your data to explain what is driving a particular metric, like which regions, products, or customer segments are most influencing a change in revenue or a spike in costs. Another is the decomposition tree. This visual allows you to interactively break down a number, say a drop in profit, step by step across multiple dimensions, like by product, then by region, then by sales channel, to drill down to the root cause. These tools make exploring complex data relationships and explaining them to stakeholders significantly faster and more intuitive. The key takeaway is that you can begin exploring the power of AI for analytics and insight generation within the familiar tools that are already on your computer.